from Kathy's Cute Creations with my box from Stephanie.
And me.
Oh my gosh.
I
I'm
am
just so
also
excited.
in
Sorry
the
about that.
room.
Yes.
No, you're not.
Megan's in
No, you're not. If you were sorry, you wouldn't have done it. So,
Okay. First off, I opened up the package to get the box out. And saltwater taffy. That's what it looks like. I don't know what flavor that would be. It fell out. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Stephanie, for 4 of them. I don't know why I said 4, but
because there's
kudos.
4. That's why you say 4.
Kudos.
We love saltwater taffy.
And so here is the summer project box. And it's not lightweight either. It's got a little bit of weight on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's like Laney. Yeah,
So it weighs about 5 pounds, you're saying? That's what Lainey weighs, about 5 pounds.
Maybe not quite 5, but you know, close enough.
Give or take. Okay.
We're cutting things open on camera.
Yes, and let's open it up. So
Show them how it looks like there. With the
here's what
box
it looks
up.
like.
Can you see it?
Picture there. There we go.
Yeah. Y'all can see that.
Oh, she's got a cute little heart. Look at that with a flag. That's pretty.
It's the American dream.
I like that blue paper also.
Yeah.
Oh, but that sticker's so cute.
You want to save it?
No, I'm just saying it's so cute. Oh.
Wrong. You always want to save the sticker. Shh.
Okay, so we have.
I see
look.
fabric.
We have a rotary blade. Is it Olaf? Is that how you pronounce it?
Olfa.
Olfa? Why is that light got such a glare on it? Eek, gadzooks. There we go. Maybe we need to downsize the light.
And next we have the
pretty red fabric. And it's in different colors. So let's see. I'm going to go light, medium, and dark.
Oh, this is because July 4th
Wait a minute
is
now. Don't
coming
put
up.
yours up there first.
I'm not.
So there's the lightest grunge red. I don't know the colors of it. I haven't looked at the paper yet. Here's the medium, so that's a little bit darker. And then the darkest, which is right here. Now let me put them up together so we can see them.
And this, just kidding.
Goonie bird.
Fan them out like this. Look.
Okay. How's that? Good fan?
Sure.
Okay. Here we go. So you can tell that this is the lighter one, and then the medium and the dark.
Yeah. You only have 3?
Very nice. Yeah, I've got 3.
I have 4.
Oh, you have 4.
These
okay.
are the blues.
Oh gosh, aren't those pretty?
Yes. These 2 are the same.
Okay.
Those 2 are the same.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
No, this one's a little bit lighter. That's like a powder, and this is just a little bit darker.
I'm not great with colors. She says that this is lighter and this is darker.
Right. This is more of a powder blue.
Can't tell. Here you go.
Yeah. This is
And
a
then the
powder
next
blue,
blue
and then
is
another
this
color.
one.
Yeah.
Very nice. Very nice.
Oh, yeah. What is that? Cobalt?
then
Is cobalt this color of blue?
It's blue.
Okay, it's blue.
It's just blue.
I like blue. I think it's pretty.
This one
And
is
that,
my
or
favorite
that could
one.
be cobalt because that's darker yet. I'm not quite sure which one would be the. Maybe that's the cobalt because it's a darker blue, and this is just a little bit lighter than that.
Okay.
Okay, now we'll put them together.
Okay.
Okay, so now.
She's got color theory on
There
her
you
brain.
go. So you can tell this is a little bit lighter than that fabric there. You're so funny, honey.
And then, it's your turn next.
Okay.
No, I want to do that one. Fine, go ahead.
Okay, so we have a full spool of oh my gosh.
Try saying
Orfil thread,
3
and let's see
times
what the
fast.
color, the number is. I don't know what the number is. Here we go. 3852 in case you wanted. It is variegated, and it looks like it might
It's
have
red,
a
white,
little
and blue.
strip of white, which is hard to tell, but I think it's a light and blue and red. That's nice. Very, very nice. Yes, very nice. Here, there we go. You can read it. Maybe, maybe not.
Maybe not.
It's that brightness of that light, I tell you. Ugh. Okay.
Anyway, and then this is is that grunge?
Yeah.
I didn't know
all
grunge came in white, but there's a
Yes.
white grunge. It's kind of hard to see that it's grunge. Oh, there you go on that side. Yeah. And I'm assuming this is the background because we have the most of that.
And now that's right there because of the grunge. That's another piece
You
of
have
fabric.
to pick it up and show them.
Uh-huh.
She's pointing out this piece as well.
It blended right in with the color of the paper.
Tissue paper.
Yes. And then we have the pattern, which is Running Dough Quilts for Villa Rosa Design, and it's the Liberty. Oh boy, does that look nice or what? Oh gosh. That's going to be gorgeous. And it is, how big is it? It is a 45 by 70. 45 by 70. Let's get into the... Oh my gosh, that's going to be gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Yes.
Gorgeous.
When they put the blocks together there,
Yes.
then you can see the stars. I can't.
Stars. You have to
Right here.
make it focus.
There you go.
Hold it closer.
So look at that. It looks like it's gingham.
Hold it closer. Gingham.
You and the gingers, but it's stars. Look at that. Okay,
So
that's going to be
nice.
nice. Very nice. Now let's look at the package. The paper that came in the package.
The paper that came in the package.
Yes. So this is the summer edition project box. It is the largest box of the year. And let's see. And she said that one of her favorite things about summer is strawberries, but she couldn't include that actual fruit in the box. So that's the reason for the saltwater taffy, which I'm very happy to say. I haven't had that in a long time.
I'm gonna have one.
Okay, so the contents is 2 1/4 yards of the white grunge, 1 1/2 assorted reds, and the colors are berry, Formula 1, and cherry.
Oh, it's melted again.
A yard of the assorted blues, which are powder, heritage, royal, and cobalt. And then there is a 1/2 yard of grunge for the binding, which is this here. This is going to be the binding, which I think that's going to be really, really pretty. And then, of course, our thread, which I mentioned. And the 45, in case I didn't mention, this is a 45-inch blade. For those that have the rotary cutter, that's 45. The pattern itself, so...
Wait, did you say 45-inch?
45 millimeters, I'm sorry.
That's millimeters?
Yes, millimeters. I don't know where I got inch from.
I don't know. Because you're in the sewing room. You measure it in inches.
So the value of the box was $93.08.
Priceless.
This box contains everything you need to complete the top and the binding. And if you would like to purchase the fabric, you can go over to Stephanie's shop and you can purchase it. If you got this box, you can get a...
You can't just say her shop because she's
her
not
Etsy
a
shop.
pop-up vendor.
Okay,
She's...
her Etsy shop.
Yes, her Etsy shop.
And
what
you
is
can,
her Etsy?
I'm gonna list it because
Okay.
I don't know it right off the top of my head, and I don't know if she used her whole name in it or what. So anyway, going forward,
It'll be on the screen.
if you got this box, she has a code in here, so you can have a 10% discount if you want to get your backing fabric, so you can get whatever to match the grunge. And I can't tell you the code, but it's for those that got the box. And so the next box is Autumn Edition and I was going to say the bidding war. That's what I call it. So the sign up for the next mystery box is July 2, and that is on a Friday. So when the notice comes out, if you're not getting the notice now, then you need to sign up so you can get the notice if you're interested. And I think that box is like $42 and something. She made a comment on Becca's live last night.
Yes, I will happily buy it.
Oh, you will happy to buy it.
That's what that is.
And it's going to ship out in August. She said she's just waiting for a notion or two. So that's it for Stephanie's box. It was great. I love the pattern. I've got to make it. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make a comment. Subscribe and ring the little bell so you can get notifications for the next time I have a video.
See you next video.
See you next time. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching, everyone. And welcome to all my new YouTube subscribers.